Hey guys, welcome to Life with the Feeks. And this is where we went to the zoo. So this is Kalina's first time going to the zoo, and we were a little curious to see how she would react to the animals, react to the place. So yeah, wait and see what happens. So our first stop was the flamingos. She checked them out, didn't have much of a reaction to them though. But then we moved on to another favorite section of hers, which is the aquarium.
Fish. She likes big fish.
Yes. So, as you heard and saw, she enjoyed the aquarium, especially the larger fish. We did check out the rest of the aquarium and then we moved on to the rest of the zoo. Moving on to the section where we have the ostrich. Very chilled out fellows. Shafiq likes them a lot. Kind of cool. Our next stop was the aviary section. I actually didn't record much because it's pretty much like us being at home. So, I mean, there's nothing much to show. I guess maybe one day I'll do a day in the life at home and show you what our home is like as well. Um, so they have at the zoo they have this walk-in aviary section. So where the birds are free; they're not in cages and stuff like that. So they're all around you. So we saw swans, a whole bunch of macaws, toucans, cockatoos, you name it, we saw it, and yeah, it was kind of fun. Good. As you heard, that was Kalina calling all the birds because I think she presumed she owned all of them. This here is a otter who's sleeping. I think we interrupted his afternoon siesta. But yeah, we then saw what I could describe as something that excited me and put a whole bunch of fear in me at the same time. This lioness was really up and close near the this glass area, the viewing section or whatever you want to call it. It was really exciting to see her up close. I mean, it's so majestic, but at the same time, it did put a little bit of fear in me. I don't know about Shafiq or Kalina, but like my heart was beating really, really fast. Even though I knew, the glass was there and she couldn't bite my head off, but yeah, it was still there was still a good amount of fear just looking into her eyes and seeing, you know, yeah, seeing how majestic she is. She did look at Kalina a little funny, which bothered me as well, as you can see. But yeah, I mean, it's remarkable how majestic these animals are. It's so amazing. We did spend a significant amount of time here, as you can see. I don't know, there was something really fascinating about this. Then after that, we did move on to the elephant section, which Kalina thought it was a good idea to yell at them, as you can see. This board I had to record because this was really good that they had put it up. Then Shafiq wanted to see the hippos, so we did check out the hippos. They were just chilling in the water, not doing much. I mean, yeah, they are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, but oh my god, can these guys chill? I mean, chilling girls, hippos, definitely. I did try to record the leopard. My camera is not. They're shouting, Amma! So after Shavik and Kalina checked out the macaws, we went to see the rhinos who really didn't care that we were there because they were too busy eating. Then we saw this camel that was sleeping in the most uncomfortable way, but hey, he did look comfortable. Then we saw the giraffes. I think all the animals were being fed at this point because all of them were eating. Maybe this is their eating time. I wasn't really sure. I always found giraffes to be really cool. Our final stop was where the tigers were. We checked out all of them. Again, like the lions and lionesses, some of the most majestic animals. Look at that. It looks. No words. After this, we did head out. It was exhausting. I think more for Shafiq than me since he's fasting as well, since it's Ramadan season. Um, well, Kalina did like the zoo overall, so which made us pretty happy. And maybe when she's bigger, we'll bring her back here again. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe because I'm hoping to keep on making more videos from here onwards. So yeah, bye.